A432 Wandering Sun. I think the HOA covers the landscaping here. So that's the pool, that's the clubhouse. This is the gated community. It's down there and on the left. So there is this extra parking here, and someone else is parking there, but it's actually a lot of parking for what you see nowadays. Screen door, just some dents here in this front door. Tile looks good. I like that they have the edging here. These are the blinds that we like. We need something for that top window. I think there's enough of these like little things everywhere where we have to do probably 100% repaint, but Angela will make that call in person. Verticals look pretty good, other than the fact that it looks kind of bent here, but looks like it's just because of that thing. Remove tint. Property manager can make the call for the tint on the other windows as well, because those bedroom windows are going to get a lot of sun. Satellite dish. It's one of the older lights, but it looks totally fine. And it works. Okay. So this hardware does not match the upstairs. The upstairs has been changed out to maybe a brushed nickel. But they might have left it because it actually looks okay, and it's next to a lot of this hardware. So the laminate's in really good shape. The question is, what is the rent if we leave the laminate? The cabinets are actually in pretty good shape as well. It'd be great if we didn't have to paint them. And then we have the washer dryer. Good. We have the same tile upstairs. If we repaint, then we can remove this ADT switch. Some extra storage in here. Okay, let's take a look upstairs. Carpet looks good. And then we have an upgraded light at the top. And then here you can see the upgraded door handles. Door stopper looks good. The baseboards up here, I think it's DIY. So the property manager will make that call in person. Blinds look great. We have some tint and some screens. I don't think this side is going to get too hot, but the other bedroom will. Beautiful upgraded fan. Tile. 65 to replace. The grout looks pretty good. We have the shower rod. Everything looks pretty good except for the paint. Like here. Okay. Honeywell. Maybe remove this and just make sure the smoke detectors, yeah. A little squeaky there. Recaulk in here. Do a nice cleanup. Looks good. Really, really nice. And maybe remove that. That's the property manager's call. But yeah, this side's gonna have sun all day. So we have the tint, we have the screens, and the blinds look great. Upgraded fan, carpet looks good. Really nice.